Welcome back, children. Today we are going to discuss our second topic, that is the work of wind. Wind have their varying effect in all places of the world, and the action of winds are experienced more or less in all parts of the continent and oceans. However, the role of wind in the creation and the modification of landform is very extensive and in certain regions of the world where the vegetative cover is very thin and the surface is sandy. As rainfall is very less in desert, action of running water and rivers are very limited. Wind plays the major role in creating and changing the geomorphic features in the desert area. Wind performs three activities in the desert: erosion, transportation and deposition. The sand and the small rock particles are easily carried by wind in desert due to thin vegetative cover and the sandy surface. In this way, some areas of the deserts are relatively lowered by the wind action. And this process is called deflation. As a result of transportation of material to the other part, some areas may be lowered down almost to the level of underground water, giving rise to some depressions which are termed as the oases. Little amount of vegetation and in the form of agriculture is done in this area. On the other hand, wind blows sand get deposited in some other areas, thus aggregate, and the deposit of sand take the forms of huge hill due to the course of time. Such hill-like sand deposits are known as sand dunes. Some sand dunes are formed longitudinally along the direction of the wind. In the both sides of the wind they are deposited, so they are called as a longitudinal sand dune. Again, some other type of transverse type of sand dunes which is just opposite to the sand direction of the movement of the wind. And the third section, that is the crescent shape. In certain areas, the wind direction in the desert there forms a crescent shape in the so therefore that because of this crescent shape, it is named as a crescent shape sand dunes. There are different types of sand dunes dependent on different factors that prevails over that particular region. Some erosional features that are found in the desert: the wind blows sand at a very high velocity and hit the elevated hill or the land on the way and thereby erode them. Such erosion is caused as a result of the friction and is called abrasion. Abrasion process is responsible for creating two type of features like Inselberg, eardrum, and other kind of erosional features. The Inselberg is an isolated low hillock upper part of in the wind. Upper part of Inselberg is steep due to high intensity of wind action in that particular part, and the lower part is being eroded away. So after a particular period of time, the upper part just wear away from the lower part or disconnected from the lower part. On the other hand, the eardrum is another feature in which the desert is patterned by elongated ridges and that are in the form of groups. Next, we will discuss about the attrition. Attrition is another process of the wind in the desert. The wind blows sand material collided each other while in transit, and thus the particles themselves get broken gradually into smaller pieces. This process by which the sand and the rock particles are broken into smaller pieces through this mutual collision is known as attrition. Generally, little amount of rainfall occurred in the desert. In most of the areas, average annual rainfall is less than 20 centimeter. So there may not be any rainfall in some years, but sometimes heavy rainfall take place in the desert within a very short period of time. Such rainfall, sudden rainfall, create flood in the desert, leading to modification of desert landform. This type of flood that occurs covering a larger area in the desert is known as sheet flood. Finally, the aeolian process mentioned have created a various kind of features of landforms in a particular environment of the desert, and these landforms have their peculiar geomorphic characteristics which are different from that of the fluvial or the glacial landform. So this here we have seen how the wind is very much active in some of the areas over the earth's surface. So in our next class we will discuss about our third topic, that is work of the glacier.